Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric, scientifically known as curcuma longa, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. But did you know that this humble spice offers numerous medicinal properties too? Let's dive into its amazing health benefits. First and foremost, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Its active compound, curcumin, helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is often the root cause of many chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and even certain cancers. Not only that, turmeric also supports our immune system. It stimulates the production of immune cells, helping our bodies fight off infections and diseases more effectively. But wait, there's more. Turmeric has been shown to improve brain health. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier and exhibits neuroprotective properties. It may help delay or even reverse age-related cognitive decline and improve memory. Turmeric is also great for our digestive system. It promotes the production of bile, which aids in digestion and helps prevent digestive issues such as indigestion and bloating. It may even help with inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. And let's not forget about its potential benefits for heart health. Turmeric helps lower LDL cholesterol levels, reduces plaque buildup in arteries, and acts as a natural blood thinner, promoting better cardiovascular health. Now that we've explored some of the incredible health benefits of turmeric, how can we incorporate it into our daily lives? One popular way is to make a delicious turmeric latte by combining turmeric, milk, or plant-based milk, and a touch of honey. It's not only tasty but also a great way to enjoy the benefits of turmeric. You can also add turmeric to your curries, smoothies, soups, or even sprinkle it over roasted vegetables for an extra nutritional boost. Remember, when using turmeric, it's important to include a pinch of black pepper, as it enhances the absorption of curcumin into our bodies. So, next time you reach for that spice rack, don't forget the incredible health benefits of turmeric. Incorporate it into your daily routine, and you may experience a world of positive changes. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness inspiration. Stay healthy and see you next time.